How to fix TikTok no network connection. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is so easy and it's in less than 1 minute, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to the settings on your phone and click on apps right here, and now click on apps again. Now right here on this page you will find all the apps on your phone. All what you have to do now is search for TikTok like this, click on it, and now all what you have to do is go to the storage option right here. Now click on storage like this and clear the data and cache from here as you can see, and then go back and click on force stop, and then all what you have to do is restart your phone and then go back to the TikTok app, and I am sure 100% that the problem is gonna be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.